This new Holland instrument panel arrived at ERD from a large farm in the Midwest, off one of their skid steers, and needed to be fully rebuilt. Many of these skid steers have corrosion issues, and this one is a perfect example of that problem. After being out in the field for years, the corrosion had worn down several connections on this panel. We cleaned up the whole panel and repaired any broken wiring connections to get this piece back into working order. ERD has a long history of repairing electronics with corrosion damage due to the elements, so do not hesitate in contacting us for any and all of your repairs, regardless of any visible corrosion.